Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are a fan of a cozy little New England romance, then you need to get your hands on Happy Place by Emily Henry. I loved every second of this book. When I started reading this book, I was shocked by how different it was from the norm that Emily Henry writes. But I literally could not put this down. I needed to know what happened, and I loved every second of this. This book is so cute and funny. It follows a group of friends who are all at their favorite cottage in Maine for their annual getaway. And there are some twists and turns and so many emotions. On the back it says, "Warning, you will feel all the feels," and I cannot agree more. I really enjoyed this book. I think it is the perfect summertime read. I am such a huge fan of Emily Henry and her work, and this book did not disappoint. So if you are looking for a great read, then pick up Happy Place by Emily Henry. I super loved it, and that is my point of view.